With a brilliant new F system, lovely handling and an updated sensor that delivers pin-sharp images, the X-T2 has to be one of the most desirable cameras available right now. Ever since the launch of the X Pro 2 earlier this year, we've been expecting to see a replacement for the much-loved X-T1, and, sure enough, the X-T2 was announced back in July. With the X-T2 sitting alongside the X Pro 2 as the joint flagship camera of the brand, Fujifilm believes it now offers two distinct options for photographers. The X Pro 2, with its rangefinder design, is less obtrusive and suited to Fujifilm's range of prime lenses, while the more SLR-like X-T2 is designed with the brand's growing range of fast-zoom lenses in mind. It's no great surprise to see the 24.3MP APS-C Trans 3 CMOS sensor that we first saw in the X Pro 2 and the X-T2. Fujifilm's latest sensor, with its clever filter designs to eke out even more detail compared to conventional designs, has delivered some impressive results in the X Pro 2, and is a welcome upgrade from the 16.3MP sensor in the X-T1. The sensitivity range runs from a modest 200 to 12,800, but can be expanded to 100 to 51,200, and the good news is that, unlike in the X-T1, this extended range doesn't force you to shoot in JPEG only, with RAW capture now possible as well. One of the obstacles for a lot of mirrorless cameras to get over is the skepticism towards AF performance. Perhaps not so much for static subjects, but in the main it's always been felt that when it comes to moving subjects, mirrorless can't match the speed and sophistication of some more advanced DSLR systems. The X-T1 had a solid if rather unremarkable AF system which saw a fairly major firmware upgrade to boost AF performance, but it still didn't really satisfy the needs of those shooting fast-moving subjects.